friends, this is Mrs. Roig here with another lesson from your Everyday Math book. For this lesson, we need number cards. So before we get started, I'm going to ask that you take your math book, open up to the very center of your book, and at the center of your book, you're going to find these harder pages, and they are individual number cards. So if you could take these out very carefully, cut all of them out so that you will have each number on one card. When you take all of these out, you will have a card for the numbers 0 all the way to the number 20. So when you're done cutting all of these out, I have already cut out mine, they are going to look like this. So you'll have all of your numbers cut out nice and neat so that you can use them as cards. So for this lesson, I'm going to ask that you open up your book. We're going to start, remember, always start on the green side. Open up your book to page 21. And on 21, we are going to be putting numbers in order. So we're going to write 5 number cards in order from least to greatest. So if I take my cards, and the first thing I want to do is flip them over, and I'm going to shuffle them just a little bit so that they're mixed up. Once I have them mixed up, I'm going to start flipping over my cards. Well, I can do this. Why don't I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can take these cards right here and set them off to the side. Now these 5 cards are the ones that I'm working with. So I'm going to take them and I'm going to flip them over. That is the number 15. If I flip over to the next number, I'm on the number 10. Is the number 10 greater than, or is the number 10 less than 15? Right, the number 10 is less than 15. If I flip over the next card, it's the number 6. Is 6 greater than 15, or is it less than 10? It's less than 10. If I flip over my next number, this is the number 16. Is 16 greater than 15, or is it less than these numbers? Right, it is greater than 15. And my last number is the number 3. Is the number 3 greater than 16, or is it less than 6? Right, it's less than 6. So now I have my cards in order from least all the way to the greatest number. So I can take my pencil and come into my math book and write in here. These are all cards. So the first number that I have was the number 3, and then we're on the number 6, 10, 15, and 16. That is least to greatest. Now, I can take my cards, collect them. I can put them back in the deck that I put off to the side and pick them up, shuffle them again, and now I have this one I can do. And if I flip the page over to page 22, I have more. This one and this one. So I can do that 4 times with my cards. Now remember, once you're done with this lesson, keep your cards because we will use them for other lessons in our math book, and you can use them for other math games. Have fun!